So what you should be looking at in your chiaroscuro drawing and for week 7 is to be sure that you are looking over all the notes and the links for the memento mori and your concept building. So also be sure that you start your sketchbook assignment. And my suggestion to everybody is to take the sketchbook assignment and do 1 or 2 of those blind contour skull drawings before you start your actual black paper drawing. Now this black paper drawing is going to take roughly 6 to 8 hours, depending. It might take you more than that. So when you are doing the chiaroscuro drawing, start with your warm-up. Just do it in your notebook before you do the black paper. And then before you get onto the black paper drawing, I would suggest heavily to do several newsprint sketches on the newsprint full size, and that is kind of your warm-up to see how you want to do the blocking and the placement before you move on to the black paper. Now eventually every day you'll start with a warm-up in your notebook of just the blind contour sketching, and then you're going to move on to the black paper. But before you get started on the final drawing, you want to do your rough draft. And then be sure at the end you take quiz 7, which is going to be uploading one of those images of your sketches into the quiz so I can see your progress and see where you're coming from in this drawing. On Tuesday, which is tomorrow, I would suggest that everybody has that preliminary sketch completed, and bring that sketch to our Zoom class meeting. I highly suggest you try and come, even if you've never shown up before. You don't have to worry about sharing anything, and you can even just mute yourself if you want to and be participant and watch what's happening. But bring your work in progress so we can talk about that, and we can do some pointers and problem solving. So there'll be some demos then as well. So stay tuned, and as always, let me know how you're doing. And of course, happy Memorial Day.